The lane assist system on the 500X is a system designed to ensure that the car stays in its lane while moving. It works thanks to a video camera on the windshield, which can see the continuous or broken lane markings ahead. Should you inadvertently stray from the lane without using the indicator, the lane assist system alerts you by means of a slight torque on the steering wheel and an indicator light on the instrument panel, informing you that you have to intervene to bring the car back into its correct lane. Activation, deactivation. You can turn the lane assist system on and off using the button on the direction indicator lever to the left of the steering wheel. Each time the engine is restarted, the system remembers whether the system was on or off when the engine was switched off. When it is on, the system becomes active if the driver keeps at least one hand on the steering wheel. Vehicle speed is between 60 km per hour and 180 km per hour. One of the lane markings is perfectly visible. Visibility is suitable. The road is straight or has wide bends. The direction indicator is not on. Greater safety, even in the event of being distracted or inadvertently straying from the lane. The system helps the driver to avoid hazards caused by straying from lane.